What's up, guys? Tommy TV here. I just want to start off this vlog with a more serious note about us. Me and my brother, my whole family have been working our asses off for our personal stuff, personal life, vehicles, content for you guys. We've been lacking, but not lacking, because I don't want to bring content to you guys that I'm not proud of myself and I know you guys won't enjoy. So, like I said before, sorry about that, but I'm just trying to bring the best for you guys. Like I said before, me and my brother have been working our asses off these past months, years actually, to get to where we are right now. And I'm so thankful to everyone that has supported us, everything. But with that note, I would like to present a new vehicle to the Tommy TV crew.
I said I feel invincible. It's 100 niggas in the spot. I won't keep going. It's 85 just to walk on. I don't talk to these niggas, cause a lot of these niggas be corny. I'm feeling horny, and I shoot like Robert Horry. I'm off this percolated shit. I got a percolated bitch. I give her this percolated dick. I show her this percolated tricks. They know who in
Ozuna, baby.
Yo soy Ozuna, baby.
Speedy banana.
Pretty banana. On the fresh pair of shoes.
Holy shit! Is that a shit box?
Oh my god. Oh, hold on. Let me show y'all something. Come over. Show y'all. Johnny got hungry at work.
Hey, fuck.
He ate his wrap, bro. He ate his wrap.
I just want to live my life, man.
Just wanna live your life, man?
That's all I can do, man.
Oh, what you wanna do with your life?
Work at McDonald's, man.
Hey, but legend has it, Alex ate it. Look at his braces.
Qué guapo.
Today was me, Axel, Alex, and then Edwin behind the camera. Special zoom.
Ya llegó el mandilón.
Es un exposure right now. Special surprise. Johnny girl.
Put it right here.
Dog, that's not where the fucking gas tank is.
All right, question of the day for you two. Who's more toxic?
Fuck her. She's toxic as fuck.
All right. Next question. Who runs the relationship?
La pregunta me ofende, perro.
Last question. Who's faster?
¿Este es tu ídolo? El mío sí.
Oh, yeah. She'll gap the fuck out of you.
Stepped on me with the botas.
Oh.
My Candy's release party. It's a selling shop. It's a release party. We're just playing beer pong, water. Tommy TV in this bitch. We got the box. We got Farm. We got Mick. We're gonna go ask some questions in a bit, but we gotta let these niggas on playing.
Right here on Wolfpack at the release party. Just pull up. Ahí está más o menos. No ha llegado toda la raza todavía. He sucks at beer pong. Ese güey.
¿Quieres burlarte de mí?
No, más o menos. Let's see how it gets tonight, my boys. Let's see how it gets.
We're gonna go ask questions. See what my
Hey, your baby is typing. Huh? Baby is typing.
What's the worst spot you ever done it in?
What?
What's the weirdest spot you ever done it in?
What do you mean? The dirty.
Dirty. Where's the worst spot you fucked in?
¿Qué me preguntó?
The worst spot? Like, bro, I'm confused as fuck. I'm not even gonna lie.
Si fuma mota, no fume eso.
Like the mountains type shit? Yeah, the mountains, bro. There's people next to us, bro. They were straight watching the whole time, bro. The whole time they was just watching. I didn't fuck with that shit, bro. So I had to dip out, and then my windshield got broken by a tree. I was pissed. I had to dip, bro.
Was it worth going?
No. bro. I regret it. I had to replace the windshield, bro. What's the weirdest spot? You did the dirty. In your truck?
No mama's way.
Pretty comfortable. Nah, fuck no, the seats are fucked in there.
So what's the strangest spot you did the delicioso?
The bathroom at Abraham Lincoln High School. No.
was during the Lincoln bonfire. I went to go take a piss. She went to the girls' bathroom. I walked out in the hallway. Sticks her head out the door.
She's like a gargancito.
And we're here with special guests, Natalie TV. First,
Do you think I'm in it?
I hope so. Otherwise, I'm gonna just have to cut you out.
Oh, this is the third time how we met.
So we went to DKC. It was a Friday. Got out of work. Me and Edwin decided to go to DKC.
Siempre lista mi carcacha pa' subir a las muchachas.
We knew nothing about each other except she knew I was famous. That's it.
Did not know who he was.
And it was me, Alex, in the truck, and like we were just on our phones because we were waiting for the next spot. Alex was like, "I'm gonna go talk to this one girl." I was like, "Okay, TFTI," and then he's like, "Let's go. There's another one." And then I was like, "Bet." I wasn't thinking shit about it. Like I didn't even know she had a car. I didn't know she was into cars. I didn't know shit. And then I show up, and then there's a Q60, but we had to walk like a
Far.
whole half mile.
Literally across the meat.
Denver.
Space.
I don't know what she brought so far.
Because my car.
The car is clean. It's slow but clean.
Sluttiest summer experience.
A la verga, ese güey es famoso. Ese es el heartbroken.
Chinga tu puta madre.
Wait, the one time this one girl tried sucking my nipples, wait. Felt kind of nice. Nah, not yet.
You should try it. I recommend.
I heard it's kind of good.
Hey, I got another question for you. You remember your first blowjob?
Okay.
What'd you give it to?
Nobody. Fool. Fool, I'm gonna be completely honest. On my first blowjob, wait. Fool, So that shit felt weird to me. So I started laughing. I'm dead ass. She told me to shut the fuck up and put her pillow on my face.
Okay, so then my friend was just like, "Oh, Alex is gonna come talk to me or something." I don't know. I don't remember. And I was like, "Okay." And I think that was the first meet I popped out in with
The
Q.
Q. I was like, damn, shorty got money. I'm about to get at her.
They were just asking questions about the car. He didn't know shit about the car.
Then I was
How
like,
Alex got in. He opened the door and he just stood there. And I was like, "You can get in if you want." He ignores me and I was like, "Alright, whatever."
I said something, but
No,
she
you
said
didn't.
she didn't hear it. She's deaf. What's your sluttiest summer experience?
The sluttiest?
Yeah.
Let me think real quick, bro. I've done so much.
No mames, ese cabrón si se pasa de lanza.
I ate ass, bro. That cabrón.
Damn. Hey, but have you gotten your ass ate?
Maybe. Nah.
Tranquilo, hombre, tranquilo, hombre.
Bro, I ate ass and I woke up with pink eye.
Remember your first blowjob?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Who'd you give it to?
I gave it to one of my.
I think they called the next spot or something. Everyone was leaving.
Yeah.
And I just left. I went home. And like on the way over there, my friend was still texting Alex, and then she was like, "Oh, like he asked for your Snapchat." And I'm not even gonna fucking lie. I did not even see what he looked like because it's dark. It was dark and like I didn't have my glasses. Like I couldn't see
Fucking
shit.
racist.
So I was like, okay, yeah, whatever. So I didn't even know what he looked like. Didn't even know he had a truck. Well, I knew he had a truck because his brother drives it to school. I was like, whatever.
He's famous. Why should
No.
you get at him? Yeah.
No.
This is a true story.
Man, we know where you got the sweater from, so we have to ask you some questions. Where you go? We gotta wait. Some nigga thinks he can run out. What's the sluttiest summer experience you had?
I had a bitch tell me to lick her toes, and I did it. Damn.
You did it?
Yeah.
Hey, I
¿Este es tu ídolo? El mío sí.
need the same puff boy as you during the summer.
It's all good, dog.
Alright.
I brush my teeth after.
Next question. Have you ever got your ass ate? No shame in it.
It depends what getting your ass ate means.
Knife, fork, plate.
Yeah. So we left the meet, and I was driving my truck, and I was like, I told Alex, I said, which one are you talking to? And like deep down, I was hoping he wasn't talking to her. And then he's like, I'm talking to the other one. I was like, damn, thank you, Jesus. And then I was like, put me on. He's like, bet I got you.
He texted my friend. My friend was like, "Oh, he wants your Snapchat." And I was like, "Fuck no." I was like, "Okay, yeah, whatever." And then we just started.
Thanks, man. She just got a compliment.
I got a compliment on my car. That's my third one today.
Yeah.
Can He didn't tell me happy birthday, so I was like, I should ghost this dude.
I said.
I just want to live my life, man.
So I had a toy drive.
Oh yeah, the toy drive. Go watch that vlog.
Yeah, go watch that vlog. Link in the description.
Click right here. Oh, I went, whatever.
Yeah,
and they had me parked next to him.
This is when I was like, yep, I'm giving her a chance because she called off that day to go to.
Oh yeah, I did call off that day to go to his meeting.
Ay, qué bonito.
Like, I'm gonna give the weird girl a chance, you know. Any cut out there can get it.
Tranquilo, hombre, tranquilo, hombre.
Calling out.
No, I'm just playing. Who's best? Me, nigga.
No mames.
Did you just say the N-word? You're canceled.
What's the sluttiest summer experience y'all had?
I can't answer that. You know, I'm in a relationship.
Oh shit.
I got hit on by a 7-Eleven 7-Eleven worker.
Did you get the free snacks?
I mean, I got a free
You got the Slurpee?
yeah, I got the strawberry Slurpee. Strawberry Slurpee.
Next question. Have you ever got your ass ate?
No. Hell no. You ever got what?
Your ass ate?
I hear shots. Hell no.
That's sus. Alright, last question. You remember your first BJ? Of course.
Yeah, at a park.
Who'd you give it to?
Shut the fuck up.
But this is my girl's car. Little Q60.
Billets.
Shit.
There's a supercharger in there.
Ajá, se mamó.
Damn, worth the lift.
There's paint chips. What else is there? Carbon fiber mirror thingies.
Damn, what?
Fucking cool.
Shit.
And then that's about it.
One flip, two flip, three flip, five. It's a whole lot of peas in here and all them bitches mine. Got a habit, fell in love with Wacky, sip it like it's wine. I'm a real trap star, I feel like Gucci in 09. One flip, two flip, three flip, five.
Good morning, big fella.
It's a whole lot of peas in here and all them bitches mine. Got a habit, fell in love with Wacky, sip it like it's wine. See the look